Hello everyone, welcome back to Automobile is Next. The all-new Renault Symbioz, an SUV that rewrites the rules of family travel, this sleek and practical machine, recently unveiled by Renault, promises to transform your road trips into unforgettable memories. The Symbioz isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about creating a seamless experience for everyone on board. The Symbioz boasts a surprisingly large cargo space despite its compact size. Imagine packing in all your family's gear for a weekend adventure without a squeeze. Plus, the ingenious sliding bench seat in the back allows you to customize the interior for maximum comfort, whether you need more legroom for passengers or extra cargo space. But the Symbioz isn't just about space, it's about creating a connected and entertaining environment. The Symbioz comes with features like a high-tech infotainment system powered by OpenR Link with Google built in. This means keeping everyone entertained with movies, music, or even educational apps for the little ones on long journeys. And for the eco-conscious family on the go, the Symbioz comes equipped with an e-tech hybrid powertrain. This prioritizes both fuel efficiency and reducing your environmental impact, so you can feel good about hitting the road knowing you're making a greener choice. The Renault Symbioz is a family SUV built for the future. What features excite you the most: the spacious and adaptable interior, the high-tech entertainment system, or the eco-friendly powertrain? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video for more car reveals and subscribe to stay on top of all things automotive.